Good, it's on. Alright, welcome to part 2 of the Git tutorial. So now we have this project set up, and we have all the assets, all the code, and all that. But that's all well and good, but how do you change it? So, the way you do that is by committing and pushing stuff to the remote. So, just to sort of show off how this works, I'm just going to make a minor change that has literally no effect. I'm going to rename this thing to test enemy, because that's what it is right now. Okay, that's cool. And then, of course, the little save me asterisk shows up, so we save. That's great. But how do we share that change with everyone else? So we go over here, and you'll notice in the changes area, this stuff has showed up. Click all, and then down here, come on, this little thing should, yeah, you have to name it. So we're just gonna say change the white box's name for science. So this basically is a brief summary of what you did, and if you need to give a more detailed description, put it down here. Do this often. This is essentially how you save your work. So once you've done that, we're going to click this button, commit. Now what this does is this basically says, okay, we've committed to these changes. And now if you look on history, you can see it up here. This is all the stuff that I've done before. Now the problem with this is this isn't on the remote, it's only on the local, so you still can't share it with everyone. So the way we do that is by hitting this button. Push basically takes any changes that you have here that aren't on the remote and puts them on the remote. And you can do this, now you can see here, it says branch pushed, and in the Discord, the GitHub bot just told me that somebody, namely myself, pushed something to the GitHub, and if you look on the GitHub, you'll now see your change there. Alright, so that's it for part 2. The only other thing you need to do is how to get other people's work, which I'll show you in part 3.